Do you need a premium web hosting company to handle your high-traffic website? This review will go over everything you need to know about Kinsta Web Hosting Company and decide if they are right for you. Welcome to my channel, where you'll get everything you need to know about web hosting so you can get your ideas online. Welcome to my desktop and the Kinsta website. You can click the link down below in the description area to access the Kinsta website. So who is Kinsta? Kinsta has been around since 2013 and has offices in Los Angeles, London, and Budapest. They have created reliable, extremely fast, and secure hosting built on cutting-edge technology. Kinsta is a premium hosting service. If you are starting a small website or a new blog with small to average amount of traffic, Kinsta may not be right for you. Kinsta hosts thousands of companies all over the world, including large companies such as Intuit and GE. Companies like Intuit have millions of visits a month to their website and have picked Kinsta to host their sites. Intuit themselves have stated that after testing several hosting companies, that Kinsta provided the best in-class performance. Kinsta prides themselves on speed-obsessive architecture using state-of-the-art technology. Kinsta can handle any amount of traffic you can throw to them with ease. Kinsta uses the latest, best technology from server hardware to the software that they run. Every aspect of hosting with Kinsta will give you peace of mind. The status of your website is checked every 60 seconds. That translates to 1,440 checks for each of your sites every day. Your website is backed up at least once every day. If for some reason all your data is lost, you'll be able to reinstate a backup of your site with just one click. Kinsta is powered by the Google Cloud Platform with 15 global data centers that are interconnected, resulting in fast and secure transport of all your data. They are ready for unpredictable traffic searches, such as if your site was being featured on national TV and the traffic just went through the roof. Kinsta will be able to handle that with no problem. Kinsta doesn't use the standard cPanel for site management. Instead, they have the My Kinsta dashboard, which is shown here. It is the control center for all your sites with all the tools you need in one convenient location. Here you could check your site's data, visitors, analytics, look at your migrations, settings, billing, and activity. So how about the Kinsta customer support? The Kinsta support are WordPress experts and are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They provide fast feedback and emphasize teamwork. They also have a 100% solve rate, no matter what the issue is. Let's take a look at the Kinsta plans and pricing. Kinsta is not a cheap service and will cost you more than the shared hosting plans you hear about every day. Like I said earlier, this is a premium hosting service that can handle any amount of traffic that your website can generate. So you usually get what you pay for. They have a wide variety of plans, from the starter at $30 per month to the Enterprise 2 at $900 per month. As you can see, the amount of websites, visitors, and the data storage increases for you as you upgrade to a better plan. Most of the remaining features are available for whichever plan you choose. The downside to the more affordable starter plan is that it limits you at one website and doesn't offer free site migration. If you have more than one high-traffic website, you'll have to purchase a pricier plan. If you have more than one site, it doesn't mean that you always have to take a pro or business plan. Let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say you have 5 websites, but only one is drawing huge amounts of traffic. You can always migrate that one site to Kinsta and use a cheaper shared hosting company for the remaining sites. Using 2 hosting companies will be more cost effective for you instead of migrating all your sites to Kinsta and picking a more expensive plan. So that is something to consider and think about. Everybody's situation is different. One last thing with visitor and storage limits. If you are worried that for some reason your website will exceed the limit on your plan, your website will continue as normal and you will be charged extra money for the month for going over the limits. But you don't have to worry about your website not working or visitors not seeing your site because you exceeded your limits. Let's talk about money-back guarantees. Some of the other hosting companies offer a trial period of 30 or 45 days where they will refund you your money if you decide to cancel. While Kinsta does not offer a money-back guarantee, there are no long-term contracts required, so you can cancel your subscription anytime and they will refund the unused portion of your planned subscription. So after taking a look at all the important features that Kinsta has to offer, so what's my final verdict? Is Kinsta Web Hosting worth it? Yes, but only if you have a high traffic website that receives huge spikes in traffic. If you were just starting out with a small site or a blog, then I would say that Kinsta may not be the right hosting company for you. I've used them for some of my websites for 3 years and continue to use them because they are reliable, extremely fast, and have the best technology available. The fact that Kinsta is a really large company, has thrived within a competitive industry, and has clients such as GE and Intuit is well worth observing. All this gives you additional security knowing that your websites are going to be taken care of, and no matter how much traffic your website generates, it will be handled with ease when you host with them. I want to hear from you about what you think of Kinsta and if you think it's a web hosting service you might try. Share your thoughts with me and everybody else here by commenting down below. If this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe so together we can learn more about web hosting and get your site online. So thank you for including me, and I'll see you in the next video.